Hello learners, once again welcome you back to your own channel, that is Neural Grammar Pathshala. If I am not wrong, in the last video we had started a topic that is noun. Now to discuss about noun, let me tell you, let us go back and once revise. Noun is nothing but a name given to a person, place, animal, thing. Got it? Once again I repeat. Noun is nothing but just name given to a person, place, thing and animal. Okay. Now in today's video we are going to learn kinds of noun. There are 4 kinds of noun. Number 1, proper noun. Number 2, common noun. Number 3, collective noun. And number 4, abstract noun. Shall I repeat it for you? Listen carefully. Number 1, proper noun. Number 2, common noun. Number 3, collective noun. And number 4 is abstract noun. Okay. To begin with proper noun, I know many of you must be finding it odd what this teacher is telling us. We had been learning all these things since book 2, that is grade 2 or say standard 2. But my dear friends, the reason why I am revising it for you all is, let us get refreshed. We'll move step by step and in due course of time we are going to change the topic also, upgrade our program, that is we will go towards sentence, its kinds and much more. Okay, now in today's video we are discussing about proper noun and common noun. Very easy to understand is, if I take name, for example, my name is Manoj. Okay. And I am a teacher, your facilitator. Alright. So in this sentence, Manoj is my name, and that is proper noun because it is name of a person. One more name I took, that is teacher. Teacher is a noun, but what noun is it? It is common noun. Teacher, there are number of teachers, hundreds, thousands and lakhs of teachers. Okay, so teacher is a common name meant for all the teachers. May it be Manoj sir, Ramesh sir, John sir, Simon sir, or whatever it be. But teacher is common and the name of a person is proper. Keep it in mind. Let us take a few more examples And for you, I have brought 6 more examples. Number 1, Mahi is a good girl. Now, will anybody tell me which one is a proper noun and which one is a common noun in this sentence? Can you guess? Good. Mahi is name of a person, and that's why it is a proper noun. Girl, any girl, may it be Mahi, Sita, Reena, Tinky, Chinky, whatever. But girl is girl. It is common. It is not proper. Example number 2. Naitik is a brilliant student. Once again I repeat. Naitik is a brilliant student. Again, Naitik, name of a boy, a person. That is proper noun. Then student is a common noun. In your class itself, you must be having a strength of 30 or more. 30 students, but each one of them have their own name. Their name is proper noun, but for them a designation, student, is a common noun. Number 3, my friend Simon Sir is the best teacher. Once again I will repeat. My friend Simon Sir is the best teacher. Now, in this sentence, you have 2 common nouns and 1 proper noun. Friend, common. Teacher, common. But Simon Sir is name of a person. Hence, it is proper noun. Now, sentence number 4. It brings a smile on my face. You know why? I have a very cute student, very active, very loving, and very enthusiastic. I just love her. I am taking her name here. Molly. My student goes to school. Once again I repeat. Molly, my student, goes to school. Now in this sentence, Molly is a proper name, proper noun. Student, common noun. And then school, common noun again. Sentence number 5. Miss Riddhima lives in a big city. Miss Riddhima lives in a big city. In this sentence, Miss Riddhima is name of a girl and hence it is a proper noun. Then city can be any in common, and that's why city is a common noun. Now, the last example that we are taking, Reverend Gerald Higdon and Brother Scott Ohm, my brothers, live in USA. Once again I repeat. Reverend Gerald Higdon and Brother Scott Ohm, my brothers, live in USA. In this sentence, Gerald Higdon and Scott Ohm, both names are proper noun. Both words are proper noun. You know why? Because both the words are name of persons. Then brothers, common noun, and USA, name of a place. This is not common, this is a proper noun because it is name of a country. USA is an abbreviation of United States of America. So I believe and I'm sure you all have really enjoyed understanding proper noun and common noun. Now, I would like to request you, please do subscribe and like your channel, not my channel, your own channel, that is Neural Grammar Pathshala. Thanks for repeating with me. I know you all know this name. This name now is not a new name for you because it's your channel. It's not my channel. And its name is Neural Grammar Pathshala. Before I take your leave, I have a message. Don't go out of home unless you have some important work. Stay in home and be safe in this pandemic. Please take a very good care of yourself. God loves you. Take care. Goodbye.